Hello guys, we are back. Welcome to Traders Delight. How have you been and how has been your trading sessions? Hope you have been getting amazing results from all your trading activities. I'm bringing to you today another strategy which if you follow the rules will help you get very good results from your trading activities. Before we go into that, if you are new, I welcome you to this channel. Kindly click the subscribe button now because you're going to get a lot of values from this. And then if you are old, I appreciate you for following. Uh, Go to the comment section so that I can know you are following with me, and then just type welcome back to the comment section. That way I will know you watched the video and you got my message. Just type welcome back. All right guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a strategy that I call the dynamic strategy. The dynamic strategy is a strategy I put together in a way to help you get the best of the market, and I want you to please follow. I'm going to explain to you, and you're going to get the best of it. So uh, as you can see, I have three indicator windows. So how do you do this? The first thing I want you to know is this. You see the zoom level? I zoomed out completely. Please zoom out completely. Don't zoom in at all. Just zoom out completely. That's the first one. Second one is once you see a crossover in this first indicator window that happens around above 90. If it crosses above 90, that's your first indication. The second one is this. If you see a crossover in this second vision window that crosses above 90 as well, then the last one, if you see this oscillator, this third indicator, once it changes from green to red, after all this crossover, you go in and take 5 candles and you're out of the market. You can see here, see this cross here, and then turn red. See how long it went. But I advise you take 5 candles and leave the market. If you test this strategy and you feel you can take more, go ahead and take more. All right guys, are you following? Go ahead and take more. It's as simple as that. Follow this instruction and you get the result. And like I used to encourage you, please trade with the trend. Don't trade against the trend. If you see from here, I use this to observe my trend, and I also confirm trend from higher time frame as well. Maybe I'll do a video on how to know the trend so that you can be able to do that. But I don't want this video to be very long, so you guys can watch it and watch it completely. Please watch it completely and don't, so that you will know if the question you want to come and ask me in the comment section has been answered in the video already. So I go over it again. Once there's a crossover in this first indicator window above 90, second indicator window crossover above 90, and this oscillator indicator turns red, you go in and take 5 candles and you leave the market. All right. So now let me go and show you what the settings are rather, and so that you can set it and then you start milking the market. Okay. So now for the settings, you go to the F button here. So that's the F function button. So I click that and you can see this. So I have, like I told you, 3 indication windows. See indicator 1, indicator window 1, indicator window 2, indicator window 3. And for the main chart, what is there is this. Follow please. You can see the period is 200. You can screenshot this so that you don't waste too much time. The shift is 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close. The style is 3 pixels. Use any color of your choice because I have a black background, so I'm using yellow so I can see it clearly. Now, for the second indicator window, it contains 2 indicators. Please follow. 2 indicators. Stochastic oscillator and moving average. So what is in the stochastic oscillator? Let's go in. Now for the stochastic oscillator, you can see the percentage K period is 60, percentage D period is 1, the slowing is 1, the price field is close. Please note, close. Then the method is exponential. The method is exponential. Now let's go to the styles. The main style is 2 pixel. This color, you can use any color of your choice. The signal is 2 pixel. This red color or any color of your choice. Now, if you go upward, you see the levels. Now, the levels here are level 10. You put that as a buy. Level 50, wait or take profit, and level 90 as sell. Please note, level 10 a buy, level 50 wait or take profits, level 90 a sell, and then you exit and click done. But so that it doesn't take me out of here, I click back. So then after that, you will click the indicator window 1 here, this F plus, so you can add this moving average. So the moving average here is simple. It's just moving average period 10 shift 0 method exponential, and then apply to close. And you can see the pixel here. I use this for my reasons. If you want any other style, any other color, use, and then you click done. So then we'll go to the second indicator window, and you know, if you have not added before, you need to click the main chart to add any other indicator window. So you click the main chart, you add stochastic, and for the stochastic, what do you have? Look at it. Now, for the stochastic, you see, I have stochastic percentage K period 5, percentage G period 3, the slowing is 3. Take note, please. And then the price field is low slash high. Take note. The method is smoothed. And then the style, I use my background color. Use a background color here, just one pixel background color. We don't really need it. Now, the levels, let's go in and know. Now, the levels here are 10, level 10, 90, 30, and 70. Level 10, 90, 30, and 70. All right. So with that being said, let's go further. Then from here, you go to the to this place, F plus for the indicator window 2, and you click to add your moving average. So adding your moving average, the first moving average you're going to add is the moving average period 4 shift 0 method smoothed. Take note, please. Method smoothed, apply to close. Then style is 3 pixel. Use any style of your choice, any color of your choice. Then you're going to add another moving average. You click here, add another moving average, and then the next moving average is period 2 shift 0 method smoothed, apply to close. Then the style is 3 pixel. Use any color of your choice. All right. Now, for the third indicator window, take note, please. Third indicator window is just a simple one. You go to the main chart, and then you add the oscillator, awesome oscillator. You can see the way it is, 4 pixel, and then the value up, I used this lime color, and then value down, I used this red color. So with that, you are done. You click done, and then you are this way. And like I explained before, once you see this happen, and this happen, then you are good to go into the market and take 5 candles and exit the market. Like I told you, please make sure that you are trading with a trend. And like I said before, if you go to crash 1000 to check, you can also use 500 as well. I don't want this video to be long, so I want to just use 1000 so you get it. So for the 1000, what do? You check. You see, there's a crossover here. There's a crossover here, and then it changed from red to lime color. From red color to lime color, you go in, take 5 candles, and you're out of the market. Go in, take 5 candles, you're out of the market. Make sure there's a crossover around the 10. And one more settings that will help you is that you press your screen downwards, and then you push it to the extreme left. Press down on your screen, and once you have this, push to the extreme left so that you can pick up early signals. All right, guys, if you are still watching, that means you like the video. Please smash the like button and let me know what you feel about the strategy. This is the dynamic strategy in your comment section, and I will be available to attend to any of your questions. All right, guys, take care. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and then meet you in the next video. My next videos, I'll be bringing to you trainings on price action. So get ready. All right, guys, take care.